Hey guys, welcome to Belly Over Mind with me, Baby Menon. Today I'm here with you to share the recipe of a refreshing summer drink made of mango pulp, the Aam Panna concentrate or the Aam Jora. Aam Panna is a desi hit. It's a healthy beverage which is not only refreshing but also energizing. During summers, we avoid the unhealthy cola drinks and take recourse in the bountiful blessings Mother Nature provides us with the mangoes, melons, coconuts, cucumbers, kokum, and lemons. All these fruits are great summer coolers and help keeping our system cool. Course beverage, cuisine Indian, preparation time 5 minutes, cooking time 10 minutes. Let's take a quick look at the ingredients. 500 grams of green mangoes, half cup sugar, 2 teaspoons salt, 2 teaspoon kala namak, that's a black rock salt, 2 teaspoon roasted and powdered cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon coarsely ground pepper, 5 to 6 green cardamoms, 2 tablespoon finely chopped mint leaves, 2 cups of water. Choose the raw mangoes which are tart. There are many methods by which the flesh of mangoes is extracted in the preparation of Aam Panna. Here I have opted for the most simple method. I have deskinned the mangoes and boiled them in a vessel over open flame. Peeling the skin before boiling makes the process very easy. Alternatively, you can also keep the skin on before boiling the mangoes. It does give a very distinct flavor to the panna. Once done, extract the pulp from the mangoes, leaving behind the skin and the stone. Or else you can also boil the mangoes in a microwave. Just keep them in a microwave safe bowl and add 1 cup of water to the bowl. Micro and high for 10 minutes. When cool, separate the pulp. Another method is to roast the mangoes over flame directly and then once cool, extract the pulp. The subtle smoky flavor induced when the drink is prepared by this method of cooking mangoes takes it to an altogether next level. Add roasted powdered cumin seeds, coarsely ground pepper, green cardamoms, and water. Then add sugar. Mix them once and let it cook for a while. Cook them till the mangoes turn soft. It ideally takes around 10 minutes. Tips and variations for making Aam Ka Panna. Use unripe or partially ripe green and tart mangoes. The mangoes have to be sour. Avoid using mangoes which are fibrous. And mangoes can be cooked in a pressure cooker or a pan or over direct flame or microwave. Last but not the least, some mint leaves or coriander leaves can also be ground with the mango pulp in the mixer grinder. Addition of any of these fresh herbs gives a different taste and flavor to the Aam Panna and makes it green in color. The Aam Panna concentrate can be prepared and refrigerated and consumed over a period of time. This Aam Panna concentrate recipe can be doubled or tripled. You can also make Aam Panna with either sugar or jaggery. They impart different taste and color to the Aam Panna. You can even add palm sugar or coconut sugar. In short, various types of sweeteners can be added. Once soft, switch off the flame and let it cool. Once the mangoes attain room temperature, take the mango chunks onto a mixer and blend it for a couple of minutes till smooth. Strain the mango pulp mix through a strainer with a fine mesh. You can also add the leftover liquids in the pot if any. Blend them well. The Aam Panna concentrate is ready. Pour this Ampana concentrate in a clean glass bottle or jar. Store the bottle or jar containing the concentrate in the fridge. Whenever you feel like making a drink, take 2 to 3 tablespoons of Ampana concentrate in a glass. Add ice cold water, a few ice cubes, and a sprig of crushed mint leaves. You can even add a bit of lemon juice at this step. It's optional though. Stir and mix well. Garnish with some mint leaves or coriander leaves or lemon wedges and sip into the most refreshing Ampana. Also quenches thirst and prevents the excessive loss of sodium chloride and iron during summer due to excessive sweating. Try it this summer and feel cool, rejuvenated like never before. So do try out this recipe, simple recipe of Ampana, and let me know how it turned out for you. Thanks for stopping by. If you like this video, do give it a big thumbs up and consider subscribing to Belly Over Mind if you are not yet subscribed in order to be updated on the latest posts. I will be posting new easy and exciting recipes day after day. Do say hello on other social media networks, Instagram, blog, Facebook page and Twitter. Stay home and stay safe.